How to fix ear speaker not working on iPhone after update. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about our latest tech videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the ear speaker not working on your iPhone after updating it to iOS 17.6. Let's dive right in. First up, let's enable phone noise cancellation. This feature can help improve your audio experience. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, scroll down again and select Audio Visual. Here, you will find the option to enable phone noise cancellation. Turn it on. Next, we'll disable and re-enable the Change with Buttons feature. Go back to Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sound and Haptics. Here, you will see the Change with Buttons option. Disable it, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This can sometimes reset the audio settings. Now, let's check for any blockages. Make sure nothing is obstructing the ear speaker like a screen protector or a case. Sometimes this can interfere with the sound quality. If the previous solutions did not work, we can try resetting all settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and choose Reset All Settings. You will need to enter your passcode and confirm the reset. This will restore your settings to default without deleting your data. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.